If you're wondering how to budget for quarterly tax payments using software, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can streamline this process and make sure you're always prepared for tax season. By the end of this video, you'll know the key steps and how the right software can simplify everything. Stick around to the end because I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we're using today. First things first, when it comes to quarterly tax payments, the key to staying organized is understanding the amount you owe each quarter. The good news is, with the right software, this can be done automatically. Many tax software programs will help you estimate your quarterly tax payments based on your income, deductions, and other financial factors. This is a major time saver. Once you set up the software, you'll input your basic financial details, income, expenses, deductions, and any other relevant information. The software will then use this data to estimate your quarterly taxes. The best part is that it does this for you, so you don't have to worry about manual calculations or missing important deadlines. Now, let's talk about setting a budget for each quarter. The software will allow you to set aside a specific percentage of your income for taxes based on those estimates. You can create a dedicated tax savings account right in your software, so every month you're putting aside the right amount. This eliminates the stress of scrambling for money when it's time to pay. One of the best features of most software is the ability to track your payments throughout the year. As you make payments each quarter, the software will update your progress and let you know if you're ahead or behind. This gives you peace of mind that you're on track and won't be hit with a surprise tax bill come April. As you move through the year, the software will also give you the option to adjust your budget if your financial situation changes. Maybe your income increases, or you have more deductions than you initially planned. No problem. With the software, you can quickly make those changes, so you're always budgeting for the correct amount. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options out there, I've tried some of the most popular software options for budgeting quarterly tax payments. And I found one that works best for me. And I think it could work great for you too. The software we're using today is super easy to set up and customize, making it ideal for budgeting your quarterly tax payments. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try this software for free through the exclusive trial linked in the description. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it and follow along. To summarize, here's the key takeaway. Budgeting for quarterly tax payments doesn't have to be stressful. With the right software, you can easily track your income, set aside the correct amount, and stay on top of your payments all year long. If you use the software I recommend, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and feel confident that you're always prepared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below.